Watch out, world, I'm grown now. I'm grown. Yeah, I'm grown. Hey fellow earthlings, what's up? It's your girl Tlaho Magwe over here, back at it again with another video and another week. And today's video I'm gonna try look like a celebrity. I'm gonna try look like a Yara Shahidi self-care grownish episode. I forgot which season was it. Oh, it was season 2, but I forgot which episode was it. But probably I'll write which episode it was on the description down below, so please check it out. I'm gonna try to do the Yara Shahidi. I think that's how you say her name. Yara Shahidi. Yara Shahidi. I feel so bad, but she is Zoey in Grownish, and I love that show. So I'm gonna try to look like her today with the 2 pigtails and her young, eyeshadow look with her brows and everything. It's not going to look exactly the same, and a disclaimer is that I am not a beautician, I am not a makeup artist, and I am not like professional at hair and stuff, but I'm going to try to take the little things that I have, and I'm really going to work under budget here. Like, I got braiding hair that I haven't braided with. This is actually from I'm gonna use this hair darling, which is like ordinary hair piece. You can find it at like Pip store, I think for like $15 now because of that and inflation. It used to be $10 bucks back in the day, or if you find it for $10, lucky you. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna basically do. I'm gonna try to do her look. I really liked that look, although I cannot go 100% looking like her, but I can go at least around 60%, you know. I'm gonna try to look like Yara. So we're gonna jump onto the video doing the hair, then we're gonna do the makeup, but first we're gonna do the hair. And by the way, I'm gonna fast forward the hair part, plus not only just fast forward, but I'm gonna play music over it because copyright laws, and you can't listen to what I'm listening to in the background. So I'll be listening to some of my music, so don't be shocked when I be dancing and I don't know how to dance. Bye. So I'm gonna start off with freshly washed hair. I washed my hair the previous day, so and then I straightened it. Then after I straightened it, I braided it into these 4 little things that I'm currently unbraiding right now. My hair is a bit dry, and the reason why I braided it into those 4 things is so that it wouldn't like, like my hair is 4C, so it like it reverts back to its natural texture, so I braided so that it wouldn't revert back, it would stay straight. So it stayed straight, but then the thing is my hair is dry. So now that my hair is dry, I am using this product that I just have right over there that I got from Clicks to like make it a bit soft and moisturize it so that my hair just doesn't break off or anything. Since I don't know where my spray water bottle is, I decided to use this product instead because this product does contain water inside of it. And lastly, I've used it on my hair before and it doesn't really do anything bad. It doesn't even damage my hair at all. It actually makes it really moist. Don't know, but it just works for me. So yeah. So to whoever is gonna try out this hairstyle, I'd advise you to buy brand new braiding hair instead of trying to use leftover braiding hair from the last time you braided your hair and there was just leftover pieces, because now this looks like a hot mess. Like, I really struggled to detangle this hair, honestly. Literally just forgot my edge control. We got to lay them edges. This part of the video, I managed to get the pigtails up, although my hair, yeah, that was like some crazy hair. But for now, I'm just gonna try and I'm just gonna put this bandana back on to lay my edges properly. That time I was setting the gel so that my hair would hold, because my hair is like, my hair like tends to go like up, back up. Like I'll make a ponytail and it will just go back up. So I have to like lay it down with some gel. And that was the gel that I used, the Flex Gel by Revlon. And I usually get that gel by Clicks. And that was what I used to make only this. So for now, I'm just going to let my edges lay. And then I'm going to start to do my makeup. And makeup time. The reason why I use a beauty blender to bake my concealer on my face is because my skin is not as oily, so when I bake like everyone else, it just doesn't look that nice. Well, fellow earthlings, the look is done. We got the lip, we got the eyes. I don't know if I look like her. Just comment below if I really, not like I look exactly like a twin or something, because obviously it won't look the same. We got the look, fellow earthlings. Like, check out my eyes. Like the contour and everything. I hope, like, this is the look, so I'm gonna post it on my Instagram and tag her. I wish she could respond to it. This was like the Yara Shahidi inspired look by Grownish self-care, because I'm so into self-care and self-love, so I was like, why not try out the look for it? It's not the look for it, but because it was on that episode and that was the name of the episode, I was just like, okay, I like that look. I really liked that look. I was like, I am not gonna leave this earth without attempting that look. This is an attempt. I don't know how I did, but please, in the comment section, please rate me under 10. How did I do? Well, according to this, if I would rate myself, I'd give myself an 8, because I know that this side is a bit, yeah, the hip he's doing on this side is a bit like, yeah, and this side came out really good, but I tried my level best. Anyways, if you liked this, please like, and if you're commenting, please rate as well. Like, comment, and subscribe, and come and hit the notification bell so that every single time I post, you can see that I post. Then you can watch my videos, then I get more views, and the more views I get, probably the algorithm will favor me and more people will discover me. And guess what? People will know that I exist. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't know what I will be posting next. It's just a surprise.